Imagine building a bridge, a skyscraper, or even your home, where every structure is built to last. But what if the very core of your construction, TMT rebars, were vulnerable to corrosion? Corrosion is the gradual destruction of materials, usually metals, by chemical reactions with their environment. For structures, this means reduced strength, safety, and longevity. But TMT bars are engineered to fight back. Their secret: advanced metallurgy and precise chemical composition. TMT bars are made from high-quality steel and undergo a unique thermomechanical treatment. This process imparts high strength, ductility, and most importantly, corrosion resistance. The chemical composition of TMT bars is crucial. Alloying elements like chromium, copper, and phosphorus play a vital role. These elements enhance the steel's ability to resist corrosion. So, how does it work? The alloying elements form a protective oxide layer on the steel surface, which prevents oxygen and moisture from reaching the underlying metal. This barrier is what makes TMT bars corrosion resistant. This protective layer is stable and adherent, making it difficult for corrosive agents to penetrate and cause damage. TMT rebars are widely used in coastal areas, industrial zones, and regions with high humidity, where the risk of corrosion is high. Their enhanced corrosion resistance ensures that these structures remain strong and safe over time. Whether it's a towering skyscraper or a foundation deep underwater, TMT rebars provide unmatched durability. Our TMT rebars undergo rigorous quality checks, ensuring the perfect balance of strength, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. We use cutting-edge technology and the best raw materials to deliver a product you can trust. Choose TMT rebars that are designed to withstand the test of time. Choose strength, choose safety, choose Rajuri Steel TMT bars. Build with confidence, build with our TMT rebars. Because your structures deserve nothing but the best.